there's some exciting buzz around the DJI Air 4, and if the latest leaks are anything to go by, this could be a huge leap forward for the Air series. With rumored upgrades in design, camera tech, and flight performance, DJI seems to be raising the bar once again. Leaked images and insider reports even hint that the Air 4 may share some features with the highly anticipated Mavic 4, suggesting a more refined and high-performance drone. While nothing is set in stone yet, there's plenty to talk about. So let's dive in. One of the biggest leaks so far comes from well-known drone insider Jasper Ellens, who shared an image of what looks like a crashed prototype of the DJI Air 4. This leak gives us our first real glimpse at what DJI might have in store. Looking at the image, the top cover design has some similarities to past models, but there are a few noticeable differences. The prototype features two distinct sensors and an LED beacon, which lines up with rumors about the upcoming DJI Mavic 4. This could signal a shift toward a more unified sensor system across DJI's drone lineup. What's really interesting is what appears to be an upgraded LiDAR sensor array on the front. If that's the case, it could significantly improve obstacle detection and enhance low-light performance, making night flights much safer and more reliable. One of the biggest changes spotted in the leaked prototype is a sturdier, more reinforced set of arms compared to the Air 3. This could mean better stability and durability, though, as Jasper pointed out, the final design might still evolve. Another noticeable difference is the apparent removal of wide-angle sensors on the front corners. Instead of using multiple wide-angle cameras for obstacle detection, DJI might be switching to a LiDAR-based system. If that's true, it could offer more precise object detection, especially in tricky lighting conditions. That said, we'll have to wait and see how well it performs in real-world scenarios. Jasper Ellens isn't the only one teasing details about DJI's next drone. Another reliable source, Quadro News, recently shared a cryptic image showing a drone stacked on top of what looks like the upcoming Mavic 4 Pro. There's no official confirmation, but speculation is already flying. Could this mystery drone be the DJI Air 4? Or maybe even the Mini 5? The timing of these leaks is definitely interesting. If DJI is already testing new models, we might be closer to an official announcement than we think. While leaks don't give us the full picture, the rumored specs suggest the Air 4 could bring some serious upgrades. Reports indicate that it might come with dual 1-inch cameras, an upgrade over the Air 3, that would greatly improve low-light performance and overall image quality. If the rumors about a variable aperture turn out to be true, it would give users more control over exposure and allow for more cinematic shots. 4K recording at high frame rates seems like a no-brainer, possibly with improved dynamic range and richer colors. Some sources even suggest that DJI might introduce a mechanical shutter to cut down on motion distortion, which would be a big win for professional users. On the safety side, the Air 4 is rumored to have full 360-degree obstacle detection powered by LiDAR technology, making it one of the most advanced collision avoidance systems in the Air series. Battery life could also get a boost, with some reports suggesting up to 50 minutes of flight time, beating the Air 3's already solid 46-minute endurance. Meanwhile, DJI's continued improvements in OcuSync transmission technology could mean better connectivity and tracking performance. So, when can we expect the DJI Air 4 to launch? Based on leaks, a late 2025 release seems the most likely. DJI usually updates the Air series every 2 years, so this timeline would make sense. As for pricing, the Air 3 debuted at $1,099. While the Air 4 could stay in that range, it wouldn't be surprising if DJI bumps up the price a bit, especially if they're adding more premium features. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, the DJI Air 4 could be a serious game-changer. With an upgraded sensor setup, improved obstacle avoidance, and longer flight times, it might just bring pro-level features to the Air lineup. What do you think about the rumored DJI Air 4 features? Would they be enough to convince you to upgrade from the Air 3? Let us know in the comments.